We have three types of quick set: A quick, B quick, and C quick. Quick set a step. Use 2 or 3 steps. If you have enough time to step, use 3 steps to have more speed for the spike. But if not, use 2 steps. Spike timing. In A quick and C quick, when the ball is in the position of the setter, you need to be at the top and ready to spike. In B quick, when the set is done, you need to be ready for the spike. Keep a hand's distance from the setter. Body position. In A quick, your body should be at 45 degrees. In C quick, you have to be in front of the net. In B quick, your body should be at 90 degrees.